Hey guys, it's Kristina. I am gonna be making for you guys watermelon juice today, but not just any watermelon juice. I'm gonna be teaching you my watermelon juice secret. Everybody is always asking me what I do to get my watermelon juice to taste so deliciously sweet and to look so pink and to look so sexy in a jar. And so I'm gonna be teaching you my secret and my tip on how to do that today. This is the perfect recipe to drink chilled when you're sitting in the hot summer sun and you've got, you know, all of your glisten going on. And so this will take you just a few minutes to make. It is perfect summer recipe to share with family and friends, and I personally drink this every single day, especially in the summertime. So here are the ingredients that you're gonna need. 1 giant watermelon. Cold, chilled, delicious. A bowl of mixed herbs, something like mint or even African basil. You'll also need a Vitamix, a strainer, a straining bowl, and a big jar. Basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your chopped bowl of watermelon and you're gonna stick it in the Vitamix blender and we're gonna blend. So once you've finished blending, it smells like pure watermelon goodness. You could just drink it like this. However, the secret to straining it is that it removes all of the pulp and it makes the liquid extremely smooth and it just goes down like ice water almost. And it tastes a lot sweeter because it's removing the fiber, which makes it more condensed. Okay, so you're gonna take your strainer, you're gonna take your bowl, and what you're gonna do is you're just going to pour it in and you're gonna kind of move your strainer a little bit. That way the juice can move through the strainer. Hey, I just met you and this is crazy, but here's my number, so call me maybe. You may have to shake it up a little bit at the end, but that's all good. Okay, and when you're ready, you will be left with this gorgeous bowl of watermelon juice. You want to do this until you've gotten your entire bowl of watermelon juiced, strained, and poured. And then we're gonna pour it back into our Vitamix. That way we have something a little bit easier to pour out of. All right, check that out. So what you're gonna do before you pour the watermelon juice into the jar, and you don't have to do this, but I find that it actually makes it taste a lot more savory and fresh. Take some of your herbs and you're gonna put them into your glass jar. Just gonna kind of like pour them on in there. And if you want it to be stronger, like the mint tastes amazing with the watermelon. So if you want it to have a stronger mint taste, then just put more in there. And if not, then you don't have to, but I'm gonna put in all mine because I find that the more that it soaks up the flavor of the mint, the more fresh it tastes. So I've got my mint in a jar, and I'm gonna pour in my watermelon juice in there, and it's all just gonna kind of mix together. Oh yeah. Can you say yum? Yum! All right, you guys, that's it. My watermelon juice secret is basically blending and straining and adding in some mint to keep it super fresh. Hope that you guys love this recipe. If you're a watermelon juice fanatic, give it a thumbs up because actually, maybe I should just say this. If you want to drink this, give it a thumbs up, but I'm really not going to be sharing this jar right here with you right now. Really sorry about that. It's all mine. Yum yum. Okay. I hope that you enjoyed this recipe. If you do, drink it in the sunshine with your family and your friends and share it with them because it's super delicious, and eating watermelon in the summer is the most delightful experience ever. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Fully Raw Kristina as I inspire you to be fully raw and give you easy recipes to make so that you can be as healthy and happy as you can be. And if you can, please also subscribe to my channel at Rawfully Organic, where I teach you how to live in cooperative communities and how to grow your own produce. All right, you guys, I hope you have a fabulous day in the sun, and I hope that you enjoy your watermelon juice. Bye. Yeah, a whole watermelon just doesn't do it for me anymore.